Hey, what is up you guys? Okay, today we're going to be doing a tutorial for George Ezra's Hold My Girl. Alright, it's a very, very beautiful song and it has a lot of personal meaning to myself as well. So, anyway, the intro for the song, alright, just before we start, just to let you know, you do need a capo on the 3rd fret and your guitar is in standard tuning. Okay, so the intro sounds a little like this. Okay, that's it, nice and simple. Alright, so to play that you're going to need a G, and a G/F sharp, and a C. Okay, so for the G, what you're going to need to do is take your first finger, put it on the 2nd fret of your 5th string, your 2nd finger comes up here on the 3rd fret of the 6th string, and your 3rd and 4th fingers down here on the 1st and 2nd string on the 3rd fret. Okay, so there's your G. Okay, and the strum for that is... so down, down, up. Okay. Then all you're going to do is take away this 2nd finger and move your 1st finger up to the 6th string for that that G/F sharp. Okay. And then to a C. Okay, now for your C, what you need to do is you need to place your 1st finger onto the 2nd string, 1st fret. Your 2nd finger is going to be here onto the 2nd fret of your 4th string, and your 3rd finger over there on the 3rd fret, 5th string. That's your C, okay? Alright, so you strum 4 times for that, so. Just repeat. Okay, and that's your intro. Now for your verse, it's the first half of the verse is exactly the same, alright, so you go from your G, F sharp, C. Instead of going back to the G, what you're going to do now is play an E minor. Okay, you can use your 1st and 2nd fingers for this. I just prefer to use my 2nd and 3rd. But all you're going to do is on the 2nd fret, put them onto the 4th string and the 5th string. Like so. That's your E minor. To that G/F sharp. To your G. Okay, so that sounds like this. Alright, one more time. So we got G, F sharp to C, E minor, F sharp, G, sorry. Okay, so that's your verse and that plays through twice. Alright, and then the next part is the bridge or pre-chorus. Alright, and for that you're going to need a C, E minor, G, a D sus4 and a D. Alright, now my guitar is broken, alright, I have put a video up about this, so my D sus4 and my D are just going to sound exactly the same, but they're different. Okay, so to play the D sus4, you're going to place your 1st finger onto the 2nd fret of your 3rd string, your 1st finger on the 2nd fret of your 1st string, your 3rd finger on the 2nd fret of your 3rd string, sorry, the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then underneath your 4th finger goes onto the 3rd fret, 1st string. Now, that's a mouthful. Alright, just like so. Okay, so make sure, I know you might be thinking, wait, I've already got my 2nd finger on the 1st string, but just trust me, alright? So you're going to play that for 4, so. And then take away that 4th finger. It will sound different for you, my guitar is broken. Okay, so that bridge is like so. So starting on C, 1, 2, 3. E minor, to G, sus4 to D. Okay, that just plays through once. And then you come to your chorus. Okay, so for the chorus you're going to use a G, a D, E minor, and C. Okay, so it sounds a little like this. So 2 bars each to D, E minor, C, and repeat, so G for 2, to D for 2, E minor for 2, to C for 2. Okay, and that's your chorus. Okay, then you have another verse, which is the same, then you have another bridge/pre-chorus, which is the same, and then you have another chorus, which is the same. Okay, and then you have like a little infill, okay, between a chorus and another chorus, okay, and that is E minor for 2, to C for 2, E minor for 2, to D for 2. Okay? A little bit more fast paced there, alright? If you listen to the song, you will hear exactly what I mean, so just kind of go with it, find your own little pattern. I just prefer to go for the down strums. Alright, with a little bit of palm muting in there as well if you want. Okay, and then you're going to play a chorus again, alright? But for the first time that you play that G, D, E minor, C, alright? It's nice and soft, nice and slow, alright? Single strums, a little bit of finger picking if you want, okay? So something like this. And just back to normal. Play the chorus again. Alright, so remember, so you're playing the chorus, right, just after you've done the fill. So the first time you play the chorus, first time through, sorry, so out of the 2 times through you play, the first time through, nice and soft, nice and slow, and then back to normal, and then just repeat the whole chorus again as normal. Okay guys, anyway, that was a tutorial for Hold My Girl by George Ezra, right, nothing too complicated there, a couple of chord changes, maybe a few chords that you guys haven't seen before. So there you go. Alright, nice and simple, and I do hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.